Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's food journey. Now today is a very different video and it is me reviewing the Impossible Whopper from Burger King. Now I have been looking forward to this ever since the Impossible Burger was made. Anyone that knows me knows I love an Impossible Burger. I just feel like the way that they create a plant-based burger that can look, bleed, and taste like meat is a winner in my books, without the guilt. But unfortunately, it's not 100% vegan. Well, at least what I have here. So I added cheese to mine and got all the condiments, the mayo, the ketchup. So basically as close to a true Whopper as possible, except for with the Impossible patty. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So definitely, of course, looks like a Whopper. Inside has the mayo, tomato, lettuce, my favorite. Of course, this is the only sandwich in my life that I love onions on. Normally, I can do like small diced onions, but the Whopper is always had my heart with that. But let's look at like the patty itself. So if anyone didn't know, you would think this is actually like real hamburger. So it's crazy how much heme and potato proteins could just make such a beautiful patty. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. That's my roommate. And my husband. I'm sorry. This is so good. So, I'm getting that nostalgic Burger King taste of the flame broil. The onions are almost translucent. You can taste a little bit of the Impossible meat. So anyone who's had an Impossible burger, it's almost, you can almost fool somebody who eats meat, but there's a little bit of a change, like a little bit of a taste difference, like very slight. Like you would have to be kind of obsessed with food like I am to kind of notice the difference, but this is pretty amazing. The disclaimer that they have that I've been reading online is that the Impossible Burger is cooked on the same grill as regular meat. But even when I was eating more of a plant-based lifestyle, I didn't care about the cross-contamination because I was mostly eating plant-based for my health. But if you're someone that does not do shared equipment, that would probably be the place you wouldn't want to go to, I guess. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more heart healthy, animal conscious, and you're starting out maybe like a plant-based lifestyle or a veganism journey, this is definitely gonna be your ticket. Something to easily transition you into a plant-based lifestyle. Because I am not missing the beef on this. This is fantastic. The other thing is I asked at the drive-thru, I was like trying to beat the clock to get there for this first day launch. And I asked the guy at the drive-thru how many Impossible Burgers have been ordered, and it blew his mind. He's like, a lot. I didn't even know Impossible Burgers were a thing. He said until I tried one, he said he couldn't believe how similar it tasted to beef. And it's absolutely true. You're getting that meaty, beefy quality. And it's just insane. Insane. But you think about how many restaurants have the Impossible Burger and how many restaurants try to arm in a leg. This is flame grilled, so I'm definitely getting that almost backyard taste. But it's indescribable. I'm gonna say is this gets the Mama Jasmine thumb of approval, go get one. I saw on the sign that it said limited time. I'm hoping that's not a thing. I hope this is like to stay. I think that this is just such a great addition to the Burger King menu. So you guys, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my burger. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!